Hi everybody, welcome to Jin's Wall Street News. Shares of CrowdStrike jumped above 12% Wednesday on its earnings beat. CrowdStrike CEO George Kurtz said during the conference call, quote, CrowdStrike is at the epicenter of securing the workloads driving the AI revolution for the next conversation. According to the S&P Global, U.S. Services Purchasing Managers Index rose from 51.3 in April to 54.8 in May. According to the U.S. Energy Information Administration, U.S. commercial crude oil inventories, excluding those in the Strategic Petroleum Reserve, rose by 1.2 million barrels in the week ending May 31st. WTI crude futures rises to $74.48 per barrel. 10-year Treasury yield falls to 4.29% ahead of jobs report, which is scheduled to be released on Friday. S&P 500 jumped 1.18% Wednesday, driven by NVIDIA's rise. Shares of CrowdStrike jumped about 12% Wednesday as the company beat on the top and bottom line. The company reported $921 million of revenue, up 33% year-over-year, and 93 cents adjusted EPS, so the company beat on the top and bottom line. For the current quarter guidance, the company expected it to be between $958.3 million to $961.2 million, above Wall Street expectations of $954.4 million. CrowdStrike CEO George Kurtz said during the conference call, quote, cloud utilization is reaching unprecedented highs. This is largely driven by the AI revolution of the past few quarters. We all know that AI is transformative, and this transformation is happening in public and private clouds. This cloud is foundational technology for building AI models and integrating AI into existing technologies. The only way to safely harness the transformative nature of AI is through best-in-class security that operates at the speed and scale of AI built natively with AI with CrowdStrike. As hyperscalers print remarkable results, as NVIDIA continues to amaze, and as AI hardware spend reaches gold rush levels, estimated to be worth of $60 billion in the last 12 months. CrowdStrike is at the epicenter of securing the workloads driving the AI revolution for the next conversation. Jensen Huang, founder and CEO of NVIDIA, recently validated this, stating in a Q1 partnership announcement that pairing NVIDIA accelerated computing and generative AI with CrowdStrike cybersecurity can give enterprises unprecedented visibility and to threat to help them better protect their businesses. According to the S&P Global, U.S. Services Purchasing Managers Index rose from 51.3 in April to 54.8 in May. S&P Global said, quote, a return to growth of new orders spurred U.S. services providers to increase their business activity at a much faster pace. Higher wages for existing workers, meanwhile, was the key driver of a further sharp increase in input costs, with the rate of inflation quickening from the seen in April, end quote. According to the U.S. Energy Information Administration, U.S. commercial crude oil inventories, excluding those in the Strategic Petroleum Reserve, increased by 1.2 million barrels from 454.7 million barrels to 455.9 billion barrels in the week ending May 31st. You can see the crude oil inventories in the Strategic Petroleum Reserve also increased from 369.3 million barrels to 370.2 million barrels last week. WTI crude futures rises to $74.48 per barrel after Energy Secretary Jennifer Granholm told Reuters on Tuesday that the U.S. could hasten the rate of replenishing the Strategic Petroleum Reserve as maintenance on the stockpile is completed by the end of the year. The EIA report on Wednesday also boosts oil prices. 10-year Treasury yield went down due to the downwardly revised Q1 GDP report, 2.7% increase in PCE price index, as well as falling oil prices. With the stronger than expected PMI report, yield went up for a short while, then it falls again ahead of jobs report, which is scheduled to be released on Friday. For the U.S. stocks, S&P 500 jumped 1.18%, closed at a record high on Wednesday, driven by NVIDIA's jumps. Dow added 0.25%, tech-heavy Nasdaq soared 1.96%. If you look at the S&P 500 map, big techs such as Meta, Google, Amazon, and Microsoft was one of the best performers, as well as semiconductor sector. Okay, this is the end of today's news. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.